Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the Topstep promo code. Let's get started. The first website is simply codes. We'll put all the website links in the description below. Here you will find free codes, 30% off, 20% off sales, and many more offers. When you scroll down, you can see more offers like even 50% off on Topstep promo code. The second website is Coupon Birds. Here, you can find over 40 coupon codes offering up to 50% off on all items, or like $100 off and much more, which you can easily use. So let's move on to the third and final website that will help you find the best coupon codes for Topstep is dealspotter.com. It features current month's offers, along with a list of all available coupon and discount codes for Topstep. As you can see, 70% off, 50% off, etc. And that's how you can get the best Topstep promo code in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.